Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kajila Meghalaya kala sakhiye ka Astronomy Club Bneng Hagajila yang blessing daga Bharti Airtel Foundation haga bagi kena puli juga Grace Foundation Secondary School Lumsok Piang bagi bagi kena puli negi school kemudian haga than bhoi rembong haga jan mie ka project leber ajar phosan layo la ban sakhi de lagi kemar ikimet Bneng kemudian haga Hawhaw daga penan kami daga teleskop pelabuk kerpang daga Bharti Airtel Foundation. Kini kesinjam golong hadian bagi Bharti Airtel Foundation ringkat ke jengat trilang bagi Shillong Science Center nihu kelasing ke Astronomy Club haga School Grace Foundation Secondary School Lumsok Piang bad ai tiru ke teleskop syaka club kenawi kena puli ke nyok pendan kam ke Astronomy Club leplipat ba daga BMC bhoi rembong blok ke kong E Sinrem ke belong ke kongsan ringkat ke jenan langjong uspe science expert Rahul Chatterjee u project coordinator jong ke Bharti Airtel Foundation ba man bha khongla ke administrator jong Grace Foundation Secondary School Lumsok Piang ke kong Poltri Shah Wajri kino hikai kikmi kpa bagi kena school
ya kawan pule ya ki met Bneng kamde shu tang ke theory re practical ru playo ya kawan pe phin sayo un pe harin gane ke pro harin gane ke jingkran jungi hagna ke janmit te kai ke bangakwa banong kalong ba phi kum ki hap ke barit ki kena school phia ban shim me gane kabu kaba phin penun kam hok eka ngilong ki badan bok shikade ye banginyo ya kane kasin jam nak beta kane ka program kane ka janmit banginyo on pli ya kane ka Astronomy Club ka banginyo first time ha ka jela ka jungi bat kham tam ngilong ki badan bok banginyo ha ka snong ka ba e ka jungi kumtang kintu pi ki hap ki barit baro ba phin shim khia ban phin shim serious ya kane ka kam nama kadai ka way na ka subject ka badon kam na ka banta ka jongpi way pi way ka shong ha ka jingmut ka prakhat ka jongpi ba phin shim me ka kabu ka bangi men shwang ngim juyo phi priyo ya ka kabu ka badon kam ka ban phin badon kam hok ne ka ba phi sukwa ban badon kam ka shong ha ka kiti ka jongpi ki hep bare kumta na kalang junga kum MBC jongpi ha ka ne khibat ka mga kwa banong kalong shim bat penun kam hok ya kane ke benta ke bukrau ai khubli ya ka Bharti Foundation ki balayarap ya ka ban wanra ya kane ke subject ke bukrau nak benta ka school ke bai ki jongi bat nam ta ka snong ka thau bat nam ta ka jila hi brogoi bangi yo kum kane galat ya ka ban pule ya kita ki met Bneng ya ka ban pule ka sahid Bneng bat ya ki benta ki badon Shaka Hawhaw kaba Ïohi pi wen pling junga ju ping inyo ikane ka buk sia
ko ban ai kuble ka education department kabala ailat ngasno ba kala ailat yang ikum kinong pinya ke school bangin shim ya kan ka kabu ak bangin la ban wanra ikum kini ki jing puli ki ba kambanya ba omde tam kena ki ban puli ba ki ko andre kina ruban sakhi de la jong ki khamat kanu kata ka jingdon jong ta ki mat Bneng hati ha po sahib Bneng te ngikirmen ba kene ka jing ailat jong education department ya ka Bharti Airtel Foundation ba kan wan ha hamni ha po ka jela ka jongi kan long ka jingkar khuna ka benta ka jela ka jongi hi pro ko wai ka jing launch jong kene ka Astronomy Club ha kene ka school ka jing mentasi ka deling ba ka jing lam khat jong ka Bharti Airtel Foundation ha ka ba kana ayingi kene ka lat ka bangin na bangin yo new telescope but ude telescope ubaning kong ba kita launch ha kene ka jila jong ka state Meghalaya te unjoru ha kene ka por ngila yo ban kliru ya ka Astronomy Club ha ka ba ngi khot ngi weru ya ki kena school ki kena college ki kena samla ki jongi ba kin join ya kin Astronomy Club but kena ro bakin pule khamnya bakin sakhi shushu ya kata ke astrophysics tani kata ke jing puli ya ki kinja ki ba dan hasait Bneng ngilong ki badan bok ha ka bangila yo ya ki experts ki bawan po science center but tu kane ki real start ki real shampang ki balala banwan bakin pin yangi bakin pin kedau yangi bakin batai yangi shampang kata ke jingya jong kata ke met Bneng kata ki met Bneng ki ban hasait Bneng ki dapin yangi uno uta benai uno kino kita ki klor but ngina la ro ban pet ya Uranus hagan ni kasi but kum juru ni lai iru ya kita ki artificial satellites ka bakiki on ni shimba ka long ka jengker ku ka bakraw ya gani ka jilla ka jangi kamtam ya ka Ribhoy district Brockway but kerpang ya ka boy bong block ba school ki bran hakin kitan namar ba ni song tho ba kalong ka ba bang kum kinong hikay habang iron po class habang ipin hikay kikna ni pulian na kon kalong ka ba shiro kom ka sup habang ito ang utaw di uta uniw di utan kidan ka tajat kita ki met Bneng hindi kikna ba pli kishu ang lingo kim song tho kim tip kinang kay gran ayu hindi kila shu assume ba oh I think it's like that it's like this kilit siya kum kinong hikay ang kilit siya ang pli na po ki internet search from the Google pet na kidur hindi ba pli kishuhun da ka ba kishu puli da ka ba kishu yos no ba kum ta ter ndai hakani kasngi hakani klamat ngilong ki bangi las ngi las no long kita bedembok bangi layo shisha bangin saki ya uta teleskop ni kata ka kor pet kita ki met Bneng bangi ong hakaba bleng ni so thu ba kalong shisha kumta Hawhaw ngi mala ban ong ba ngi tip hi ba ngi mala ban ong ba kat ka badon hang tay ngi la ban ilut di baro henry kani ngasngo ba kan kani mentang ngasngo ba ka amen sim but kan pensong tho ya ki kena hakanu kur kom bakin pursue ni bakin puli bakin tip kham banya shpang ka science kham tam shpang kani ka kam man puli ya kini ki met Bneng ki hang tay po side Bneng ngala sakhi dir ki khamat la jong hakani kasi ba Ïohi ba ki met Bneng ki bayat don kita ki donru kita ki artificial satellites ki bayat sted donru kita ki hakapor ka basap ikas ngi Ïohi ya uta we met Bneng haba kam slam kapor ngi kam isa ya we kan met Bneng te kalong sha ke ka ba wa penlingo dang ni perkhan re haba Ïohi ba ngi sakhi ngi song tho ba kalong ke kajing maya kabo blay ho ay ulabo henry kalong ke ka ba penlong yang bangin la bangin so tho khamba.
I'm so proud of Bharti Foundation because what I have just learned when I entered that this is the first astronomy club in the state, no? In the state, and your school has been chosen to have this first astronomy club. In this club, we have students have to be member of the club, right? So I encourage you students to please join this club. Okay? They can join from any other schools. From other schools, from other schools you can come, give your names, be member of the club, be active. Okay? You will learn. All right? You will learn so much. And this will help you in your future because in today's world, space is also a part of something that, you know, in India especially now, moon, landed in the moon, Chandrayaan 3 in the year 2023. Okay, that is also part of astronomy, no sir? Yes? So, Shimmy kanika kabu, what you pen leno Pidon niga telescope hangni 1. Pendon kameka pet kai ki met Bneng shalor. Okay, so I encourage everyone, and I'm so happy to be here to witness this program, to be with each and every one of you, and I hope that through this the school will grow, the students also will grow in their studies and in their future endeavor.
I can think about the last 35 years, this is all I've been doing. Traveling to different places across Meghalaya and talking to children like you, particularly on events, solar events, celestial events, let's say. Whenever there is let's say, a solar eclipse or a lunar eclipse, or recently when there was this alignment of the different planets, I'm there everywhere, trying to get young boys and girls excited about science, looking up at the sky and feeling the joy of this enormous thing. And why I love this so much is anyone who gets into astronomy and astrophysics has this humbling effect. Astronomy and astrophysics brings a very humbling effect on the person. The moment you realize how big everything is and how tiny you are, that ego just vanishes. And it's a very, very humbling experience. And that is when you absolutely fall in love with what you see around you. And particularly for you children, you are so lucky because you stay outside the city, and the skies are so much clearer here almost every day. If it is not cloudy, you can see it so clearly. You should just be lying down on the grass and looking up at the sky, and if there are no city lights or any other lights around you, switch off the home lights and everything and just stare up at the sky, and you should be able to see even the Milky Way naked eyes from this place. This is something we cannot do from Shillong. The skies are not that clear all the time. So make the most of this experience. Some 3 or 4 boys and girls have already seen Jupiter and 3 of its Galilean moons just now, and I hope to be able to show it to all of you today. Congratulations for being here, and congratulations to Bharti Airtel for doing this. This is an absolutely commendable job. Thank you for doing this.